What's up, everybody? It's Dick from Traders Reborn. Here's a recording from a live morning trading session with the members live screen share in the Discord. We analyze the market live while the candles are still forming and price action moving in real time, so there's nothing in hindsight here. We educate on price action and how to read it like a book, and how to project possible scenarios in price action, why we enter the trade, why we choose price targets. So come join us free. Let's get started. I can target this level. Trim would be here. Trim 740. That's for the long trade, okay? This is the area that I wanted to react to. Below 700, I'm looking to enter shorts, okay, guys? Because that's a breaker structure for the upside. It's breaking structure right now already, but I'm waiting for that 700. Right, here we go. I'm gonna enter shorts. I enter short, guys.
Order filled.
Enter shorts. Let's see if we can hold this. Maybe test 710 again. Looking for any reason to invalidate this trade. It did hold up 700. Three minutes left. Here we go.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get this bill all the way down, guys. Back down to 655 around there, or what is it, 65? See if we can get this going down, guys. Here we go. Here we go. We're hitting bangers already. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna collect at 80. Oh shit, I'm out, guys. I'm out. Well, anyways, you guys can hold. You guys want? I already went over. That's why I went over by a lot. I went over by $300 on the day. I was trying to adjust, and it failed me. Yeah, I tried doing. Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't trim on time. Anyways, there's the target, guys. 655, 665, 665 is the target right there. And then there you go. Done for the day, Friday, guys. Done for the day. I overshot. Now I need to lose some back on some of my accounts. I made 1,600 on that trade. It would have been a lot more. It would have been like probably 2,000 something right now. All right, guys, we hit it. There you go. Precision, sniper shot, guys. Look at that. This is where you would exit right here. This is my original target, but I checked on TP. It was too much money, so I had to move it up. There you go, guys. VWAP is done. VWAP is tested. I hope you guys caught that. Who caught that? Who caught that banger? Who caught that banger? Who caught that banger with me? Come on, guys. How much points was that? I don't even know. We entered around 700. 700. That's 100 and 176, guys. 176. If you guys took it at the actual TP, 665. There you guys go, man. One and done, baby. One and done. One and done, baby. One and done. One and done. That's all we need. Right, guys? That's all we need. Look at this, man. Sitting nicely in our TP. Anybody that didn't TP, you guys can easily trim, do whatever you guys want right here. Trim 80%, 75% of your trades, and just hold the rest if you guys want. But I wouldn't, because as you can see, it reacts right here on the trend line. You know, follow the plan. The game plan was there, right? Guys, it's Friday. You know, all you need is one in banger, man. There you go. I just hit in one trade. Made too much money, guys. Made too much money. You know, you guys are with me every single day, man. Let me go on the charts again. See how we called this out before it even happened. 1, 2, 3 forming, right? Past VWAP, it will start shooting. See that? Just use your indicators as confluence and just confirmation to what you were doing. It's morning profile over here. Morning profile. It's today. Okay. But look, you guys see the levels? It almost hit right there. You know, that's where you would already trim. You don't need it to come exactly to that point. You guys can always sell into strength, guys. You see, and then now the next level is here. 24-hour future session. I don't know. You know, the setting here is just for today. It's today's volume profile. You should have taken the long back up. What? But you see, look, guys. Here's the break and retest. The break and retest. One of my playbook right here, guys. Breakdown. Look, it just retested. You see, it just retested right here, as you can see. You know, right there. That's the retest. Now it's coming back down. You see, my 5 most played playbooks in my strategy, all happening right now. Here's the trend line. Here's the break of trend. Break and retest. Down, up, and then back down. Look where we're trending to. 38% fib. You know, every day I use the same 5 strategies. And then along with volume. Every single day. Same stuff, man. I don't change anything up. You know, I don't change. I don't strategy hop. I don't do any of that. You know, I know some of you guys are ICT traders, you know, and it works great for you guys. So you guys stick with that, you know. Don't be hopping around just because it doesn't work one day. You know, when my strategy doesn't work, guess what? That day is just not for me. It's not a match to my personality. It's not a match to my play style, trade style. So the best thing you can do is step aside. You know, step aside and let that day go by. Here's that 1 to 3 pattern right here. It closed. You see, anybody that didn't look at education, 1 to 3 PDF is in there. And you see, breakdown, retest, right? Everything happened right now. Pretty much reading it like a book right now. Take a look. TP1 hit. Okay, where is it going next? Right here. Okay, yeah. Let me help you guys on mic here. Okay, you guys good. Try the mic. If you guys can't work the mic, then yeah, I can hear you now.
Brains nuts.
What? Anyways, the mic is free. It's open for anyone that wants to talk. But so this is a game plan. Look, everything's just kind of happening the way we call it. If you guys are in the shorts, this is your target. Your first trim is here. So think about your RR. There's no RR, don't take it. Right? If there's no RR, it means you missed that trade. It means you have to wait for the price to either go back up here or don't take the trade at all because your RR is no longer there. Right? Your trade should have been up here on that retest. That retest or that break. The break of that trend line. Because look, take a look. Volume profile. You see that area? There's a huge dip in the volume profile. What that means is when price comes into this area, it's gonna free fall. Right? There's easy movements through that area. All the way down up until this point right here, from what it looks like right here, based off the volume profile. See, the peak right here. But I'm pretty much done trading, you know. I don't like to overtrade if I don't have to, you know. It's a Friday. We are in gap fill, guys. If you guys want to see the gap fill, let me show you guys what I mean by that, okay? Let me show you guys what that gap fill means. If you guys want to see. You guys want me to switch to my TOS, or you guys might get a headache. Anyways, here's my TOS for the 5 minute, right? You see that area? That's a gap fill. That's my gap fill script. You see? It fills it and it tells you how many is left. There's the 30% left on that gap fill. ATR today is at 15,485, which, you know, don't expect that, but yeah, worry about that when it comes.
Okay, so what we're waiting for it to get up to where?
Look right here, 655. 655 is where it's basically where VWAP is. See that green line? I drew the green line for you guys.
Okay.
55 is the VWAP. Kind of drew that so you guys can see it more clearly. That's the area if you guys want, but you guys would have to wait until that confirmation, right? You want it to react, okay? You want it to kind of show resistance there, right? Which is, you know, it's been showing. This is the second time it's been making lower lows, so these shorts look good. Look, as you can see, if you look on the 2 minute, I'm gonna flip to the 2 minute for you guys to see. 2 minute, you guys can see right here that it's making a lower high each time. You see? They couldn't even reclaim that 55 level. You know, this means it's pushing away, it's making lower highs each time. But you guys see how price action is being read, right? You know, there's nothing crazy about it right now. Today's price action is actually an easy read. You know, you can read it easily. There's not tricking. There's not a lot of trickery today. So price action can be read. You know, when days like this, you can trade confidently.
It's tricking me.
It's tricking you because you're reading it wrong.
No complaint there. I mean, no argument
No objection.
there.
No objection.
Yeah, that's why I wanted a freaking mentorship from you. I can play options like a motherfucker, but I can't fucking trade futures to save my life.
Yeah, the thing is, because options is more chill when you're selling it, you know. But when you're trading options when you're buying options, it moves crazy too. You know, looking at the previous.
Yeah, that's why I don't buy options. Sell them.
Yeah, that's what I love, man. I love me some option buying. I love me some 0DTE SPX.
If you're done trading futures, will you pull up NDX and SPX, maybe just SPX, and tell me SPX, and tell me how
hey
what
guys,
you
look,
think it's gonna be.
take a look. You see, it's coming for it. Volume, 2 minutes left. Looking good for that attack right there to 38%, guys.
All right,
see?
so what?
You know,
you think it's gonna?
Well, you know how I told you guys the entry was around this area, you know, and look, it did come up to it right there. You see, it did react right there. That was where your entry point when it pushed the way down, making lower highs. But right now, you don't buy it. You know, you want your RR to be there. If there's no RR, then you miss the trade. Accept it. You know, just wait for the next one. Because right now it's 50%.
So no...
It's already filled halfway. Wait, what the hell? Why am I looking at SPX? Look, even SPX has a gap fill. You see, SPX love gap fills. You know, SPX I used to trade all the time. 0DT. Look at SPX. There's a gap fill going down also on 2 minute. You see, you can see it clearly. Same thing for NQ. They all have a gap fill. ES has gap fill going down also.
So there's no entry right now in NQ.
No, you don't want to enter here. What you want to do is you want to like do this. You kind of, well, right now there's a late entry. You have a late entry which is around below right here, 634, 38 right here. You can see the volume profile peak right here. You know, that's kind of, you know, your late entry. You want it a little bit, but look at the RR. The RR is not really there anymore. I mean, it's about 650 to 66. I wouldn't take it though. To me, that's too little because the amount of movement that NQ takes, you know, you can whiplash you. So those RR are not good to me personally. I went away from scalping. I don't scalp anymore. I know some of you guys love scalping, but I personally used to be a scalper, and that style is just really stressful. Yeah, scalping is just too stressful. It makes you trade a lot of trades, rack up a commission, and yeah, and then you're like constantly flipping buys from short to long, you know, and you have to make decisions even faster. And you can easily go down the rabbit hole of scalping without even realizing it. And
okay, do you think SPX is going down the rest of the day?
Yes. I think SPX is going down, but the thing is, right now it's not feeling it that night. It's
Hello?
not it's not feeling that gap fill that cleanly for SPX. It's just going sideways right now. But price is being accepted on the lower end. Look, it's almost hitting that 38% on NQ. You want SPX level? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
SPX level, it looks like gap fills at 35. SPX, what happens is SPX loves to hit the gap fill and bounce from there. 75% of the time, SPX bounce after it's done filling.
Okay, so you think SPX is going to go to 43,
35,
35, and then bounce higher?
Yes, 35, and then it can probably bounce around, you know, and then it can go lower. But all I know is that it will bounce around 35, 30, 75% of the time. It does bounce, a hard bounce after it fills. And there's the 38%, guys. NQ hit right there. Bing, boom, wow. Boom. Jackpot. There's your 38%, guys. Book map, I saw a breakup trend. You guys can see that on 2 minutes also, or 1 minute, even if you guys are watching it. There you go. Now it's going to opening print, guys. Opening print is also another strategy that I don't know if it's called a strategy. It's just a level that I always have. This is white line right here. Opening print is a white line. And so now level to level, okay, this is how we trade. Now once it's below this level of 38%, we are now bringing it to opening print 590. You know, that's all it is. You know, okay, that's where you would take it and you would trim most of your positions, and the rest you would just keep it as runners, right? And now you just manage. Is anyone in the trade right now? So that way I can help you guys manage it. Is anyone in these shorts? Okay, if you're in the shorts, are you in full position or are you in trimming? Because you should be trimming already. You should be trimming along the way. 16,000 is a psychological level, so you should be trimming. And if you have any runners, you should only be keeping 25% of your runners now. Okay, I don't know how many you're in, but 25%. Because now you're expecting a bounce right here. Okay, SPX does still have room to go. Let me look at NQ here. The gap fill downside. Gap fill downside.
I'm out completely.
Who's this? Who just said that? Oh, is that red?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Hey, this is red. Yeah, I'm out completely. Yeah. But keep in mind, guys, that also Russia has pulled out of the grain deal. So they blew up a grain site, and like 60% of the world's grain comes from Ukraine.
Damn. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So there you go. There's a next level hit. You see? That's where you would TP. You see, opening print has a major reaction usually. Okay, guys. So just letting you know, opening print usually is very well respected. Opening print along with this demand right here. That's two levels that it's likely to go off of. ES just finished gap fill. ES just finished the pre-market gap fill, the London session, and let's see what it does now. 1590 was the level. You see, here's the opening print coming into play. Right there, opening print. You see, it's above it now. And look, it's 35 seconds left. Most of the time, opening print is a strong level. You see, this is a script. I never have to draw it. Okay, not a script. It's an indicator. I never draw it. So that's why I recommend you guys doing it, because that's how I trade. So if you guys want the same things I see, then you guys should just do that.
Does TradingView have that?
You see?
I have it.
This is the major level. You see, look at a huge bounce. It's gonna close above. A lot of time it closes above, but if it closes below, then you would aim for the bottom. You would aim for the next level. You know, you just trade by level. See, so after the purple line, 30%, we go to opening print. After opening print, if it closes below, we go to the next level. You know, that's just how you trim.
Yo, so Dick, what was the first TP that you guys did at VWAP?
The first TP?
Yeah.
What do you mean? For the shorts from the top?
Yeah, because I got in and I got out at 688 most of my contracts. And I took the
you said 68?
688. I got in at 709. I got in 2 times, and I got out most around 688, and then I left some runners. But I'm thinking I got out too soon. First piece. Should I wait until VWAP?
Yeah, what's up?
Oh no, I said, what was the first target? My first target was 688. What was the proper first target for the short? I got out on
I'm sorry, can you repeat again? Sorry, I was on the phone.
Oh, what was the first target? What was the first target? Because I had a 688 target, and then 688 started like chilling there, so I just got out.
You said 668?
688.
688. So your target was up here? 688.
Yeah, I got in at
for your shorts? 709. So if you got in at 709, yeah, my first target on this trade was my target was right here, 655, 665. That's my target. Because look, there was a confluence level that I marked there previously already right here through here. See?
Like a support resistance level.
And then also it's just a confluence where price is coming to, and you know, resistance, support. It becomes support, resistance. It's a confluence area where price is attracting. Yeah, it's a pivot area. And then look, and then there's a trend line right there. So basically price along with trend. And you got to remember, when it came here, remember this is what it did after that. It popped all the way up here. You see, back to 705. So if you didn't take that at 665 around there, you would have given everything back. You know, so that's why when price dropped, we took that. We took that on this candle here, on this red candle. And then after that, price kind of acted, and then look, it shot up again. See? So if you didn't sell there, you would have given everything back. And then after that, that's when I alerted you guys that once price comes, if this price is coming back down here, it was a 1, 2, 3 pattern forming. 1, 2, 3 pattern formed. The moment it broke this trend line, told you guys right here, volume profile. Watch the volume profile. There's a dip there. Once it breaks that level, it will shoot down, which it did, right? It shot down all the way down to here. It shot down to around here. And then now, so if anyone missed that, we went ahead and took it for a break and retest. Now break down and then now retest. And take a look. You see, look, VWAP right here, retested on that candle, right? Once it tested that candle, it shot down again, right? But then this time we were targeting the purple line, 38%, and then look, purple percent, the 38% hit, right? Once 38% hit, we're just trading level for level. Once 30% hit, I didn't draw the next level yet at the time because that was a major mover there already. That would have hit you guys banger already, right? And then once that 30% gave up, we targeted opening print. Opening print hit, you see? And now opening print hit, I told you guys to go ahead and sell most of your position or all, because I would sell everything, Opening print is very respected, and guess what it did? Look, it closed above opening print, and then now look, it's shooting up, you see? So that right there was very good price action reading, and I will record that and I will post that on YouTube because I feel like this today had a lot of lessons right here in this area on price action. And like that, yeah. So anyone that's new here, that's why I recommend chiming in on the lives, and most of the value and education happens here when price action is moving. I don't really teach on hindsight. I teach during the market open while price is moving.
Hindsight is doing.
Yeah, you guys can see the action live while
Any
I'm calling it.
unprofitable trader can teach hindsight. Literally anybody. You just be like, oh, look here. But the real deal was teaching live. That's why we're the real deal. We're the real deal. We do it every day for the whole company.
Yeah. So as you guys can see, while we're talking about price action and how it's moving, you guys can see it in action. Anyways, as you can see here, so right now, here's the thing about opening print. It may bounce there, yeah, but the thing is, the trend is still down now. Okay, you gotta remember that the trend is still down. So this is breathing. The market is breathing here. So right now, what you're looking for, the movement is obviously you want it to react here, right? So this one out. These movements.
You want me to give her something stronger?
I'll do that. Shooting at that.
So now we're looking for the levels where it's gonna react now. See, level for level. If it doesn't react here, the next level it's gonna react is here, right? And then you still want it to go down, because that's the trend. And look, overall trend on the higher time frame. This is my Fibonacci.
I never pretend to know how bad a woman's cramps are because I've seen them like
Red.
going over
your conversation, Red.
And the girl that I work with yesterday, she was in a lot. She said that she didn't go to sleep till 4 a.m. because her cramps were so bad. I would blink it in the dryer.
There you go.
In some countries,
very interesting.
women get time off for their period.
Whoa,
They're like
this conversation
cramping
getting a little
really bad.
In Canada?
I think it's Nevada or something.
Yeah, what?
I like how you get PTO. You get like
Your
get
mic
sick
is
time.
like
You're
really
able
far
to
away.
stuff.
You sound like you're really
Me?
far away.
No.
Yeah.
Except
it's guaranteed.
He also, the guy who made the bar by bar book, he also has a book on pivots, and he talks about how the opening print and the pre-stay high-low close. And the whole book.
Honestly, the thing is like, there's not much to learn from the opening print. The opening print don't even need a book, bro. I'm gonna tell you right now in about 10 seconds. Opening print is where it opened, it's gonna react up and down. Watch for the pivot point. There's no book needed for that. It's very simple. Like people want to write books about everything, man. I'm gonna give you guys the straight shot answer to it. Write that down, man. Write that down. And go ahead and create a book off of that. You know what I mean? Like like Moxie said, man. Like
really scary what's happening in Ukraine right now.
Mad Moxie? She went through YouTube University. I'm basically the same way. That's how I learned. That's how that was my learning journey. I learned through YouTube. I learned through reading. Like I don't read any books though. I learned through reading strategies and everything like that. But I learned everything through trial and error.
They are so fast.
So
already gone.
Like if it was me and I would to redo it everything all over, I would love for someone to tell me this is what to read, this is what to look for, this is what to what video to watch. I would love to give you guys the shortcut route to it, man.
They not.
Hey Dick, is it a good play if we look at the retest of the 200 EMA for a short?
For which for what time frame?
2 minute. There's a fair value gap there. I'm thinking about taking it.
EMA, there is, it's at 360, right? I mean, 660, right? Is that what the 200 is? On the 2
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
660, right? What are you looking for? You're trying to get a rejection there?
Yeah, rejection for
That's
sure.
That's basically where the gap fill started for NQ. So yeah, that right here, right here, 665, right? That's the confluence area. And look, guys, take a look. I didn't do this, okay? But 6665 earlier, right? The confluence area that I marked. Look where the point of control is now. The yellow line has moved on the volume profile. It's moved on its own. It's exactly on that 665 confluence area now. And you said that's a 200 SMA too, right? Around there. Yeah, around 660.
Yeah, it is.
That's where it starts. So you see, this whole area is a peak level where it should be rejected, where there's a lot of sellers and buyers.
Hey, Dick.
What's up?
Bro, so sometimes the 30% or 60% like return, what people want to call it, it'll reject, but then it'll go against it, and then it'll come right back. Do you find that it ever does that? It'll go to the 38 or 62, and then it'll reject it, and it'll come up, it'll fake out, and then it'll go right back down.
Okay. Say that again, because your mic is kind of low. It's going in and out, and it's like you have a lot of echo.
All right, give me a minute. Let me log back in.
But yeah, guys, what I was saying earlier was, like this Discord, pretty much whatever we learn is like everything just kind of like streamlined, for all the new traders and people that are like, struggling. We try to just streamline all the methods that we all learn along the way, and just give you guys that with no BS, no fluff, no magical vocabulary, nothing like that. And if you guys are like wasting your time checking out certain indicators and certain strategies, I'll be the first to tell you. I've tried it, and I'll tell you if I think it's a waste of time. It's just those kind of things are gonna cut your time down, on your learning curve. Each one of those strategies takes like a week at least, or some 2 weeks, 3 weeks to test out to see if it works. And I don't want you guys wasting that kind of time. Yeah, I used to be indicator king, man. I used to use indicator. I used to use Lux Algo. I used to use everything on the learning way, on the learning journey going down to the, where I'm at now,
So NQ, you think it's going to drop here?
Well, let's see. Price is moving a little bit slower now, but yes, that's VWAP. Look, point control just changed right now too. What? That's one question.
So would you short it here?
Do you see that? You see that part? Look, you almost got kicked out one day in someone else's Discord for threatening for talking too much. Yeah, look, he's saying right now. He joined his live and asked one question, and he started to threaten to ban me for typing too much. He said.
Oh my god.
You do type a lot, man. You do type a lot, and you do ask a lot of questions. But for me, I appreciate the question because it gives me a chance to answer it. So you do ask a lot of questions, but sometimes they're good questions, sometimes they're repetitive questions, and sometimes the question has already been answered and you weren't listening.
We love you, Plot. So NQ, you think it's going to drop
I guess
here?
under 25 is a structure break going down. Under 25.
So you would enter once it closes under 25.
Here's Bookmap. Okay, guys, here's Bookmap. Let me just show you guys what I'm looking at Bookmap and why you guys see that. Okay, this is under 25. See, look, I draw lines. Okay, guys, this is what I do on my Bookmap. This is what I recommend to everybody that has Bookmap. Look, it just broke. There you go. There's that break map. There's that Bookmap break of structure underneath that line. And then this is when I would enter, going down, bringing it down to. You see where liquidity is, about 10, 12 around there. That's your first CP. Your stop loss would be above this high here. Your hard stop would be 50 pretty much. That's like an 80 tick or 60 tick right now.
My ATMs are not freaking showing up on my chart.
But yeah, see, price isn't closed yet. Just watch the 5-minute candle close for confirmation, guys. That's what I was saying is like right now price is slowing down a little bit, so You know, the big move just happened already. Right, this is the big move. Big move just happened earlier already. You know, a lot of times what happens after big move is that it breathes, so it could consolidate right here at the point of control and be up. You know, so that was a break and retest that you guys just witnessed right now, right? 625 broke down, came back up, swung everybody's stop loss out, and then now it's continuing down. So look, we're right now currently at this arrow. You see, these arrows just played out already on the retest. Now look.
I think we're going to see a lot of downside today.
Yeah. You see, now we're aiming for opening print again, guys. You know, this is the arrow that we're watching for now.
Order filled.
Yeah. Like 590, guys. 590. That's your level opening print. 590 is your open. You can trim some here into strain, but 590 is a good level to trim a lot because that is opening print. Once it closes below opening print, you are aiming now at the 65 level. 65 is your level once it passes 590, okay? 590 is open print. Collect close there. Then target, what did I say? 565.
No more video, right?
See, guys, NQ's just doing whatever it's doing, you know. It pulls back, try to pull you out, try to scare you out, shake you out, you know. Engulfing candle, though. Check the engulfing candle. There you go. 590 hit. 590 TP hit. There you go. 590 hit. That ringing sound, I don't know if you guys just heard that. That's opening print touching. Yeah, it's opening print touching. Ding. Money just getting paid out right now. Jackpot just hit. And then now, next level. 565, guys. 565 right here. Okay. Incoming. You see, it did close right at opening print. But this kind of closed right there. Alright guys, I need to take some time off. I'll be here if you guys have any questions, but I'm gonna go ahead and just focus on my other stuff. On my video editing. Yesterday I didn't do it till like 2 in the morning, so I'm just gonna I'll be here.
Okay, how do I add to trader FFN?
How do you add what?
How do I add extra accounts to my copy trader on FFN? Oh, there it is. I see it. Never mind.
It's just in there. Sometimes you might have to like close in and out, you know.
I found it. So I've got 4 FFN accounts now.
I did. Everyone here. I don't know. Top step. Everyone. I don't know. You know, there's a lot of things to write. That's why. FFN is ending their sale today, guys. Okay, so letting you guys know. Last day, guys. Last day. I want to promote FFN because today's the last day if anyone wants to hop in on FFN. I have FFN. I personally like FFN. The only, you know, I know a lot of people are having, you know, they don't like the 50% rule, but personally, you know, once you guys pass the eval, you guys are good to go. Look, guys, good. Look, guys, look. Incoming hit. TP hit. You see that? 1565 hit. You see that? It hit. Now you just move to the next level. There's the TP, you know. Now, guess where it's going next? This level's a little hard to trade. I wouldn't take any shorts unless you're holding only runners, right? Your next TP should be out, like right here at this demand, just because, you know. Or right now, if you guys only have a little bit of runners left, you guys would just move stop. That's it. There's no TP after this. It's just, you just move stop to manage. Sick, George, sick. Sick, guys, sick, man. I think we hit all bangers today, man. I don't think any callouts was a loss, right? I think it's like 3 or 4, 3 to 4 winning trade callouts. No loss. Let's keep it like that, guys. Anyone green? Just end the day.
There.
You know?
No, I'm not green on FFN. They did reset my accounts for me.
You're not green, Swoop, man. We just did like 3 or 4
Because I
callouts.
couldn't trade. I couldn't trade.
But any trade that you should have taken would have brought you green.
I'm green in some options, but I couldn't take any. I am green in one account on Apex, but I couldn't even trade FFN.
Yeah, look, guys. So now we're underneath this level. 30 seconds left. You are now targeting this level. But the thing is, I wouldn't. If you guys have any runners after this, you're in pure profit now. So all you have to do is move your stop loss now, right? Your stop loss should be moved to 571, 572. Hard stop. Hard stop. Move to 771, 571. If anyone is holding runners, look at that. I don't know, bro. I stopped looking at patterns right now. This trade is just like, now you just manage your stop loss. It doesn't even matter at this point. You know, whoever that's in this trade should have been out like 80% already of their position. So anyone that's in this right
I'm
now,
out.
Yeah, anyone that's in this right now should hold their runners and have it at around 71. That's your stop loss, your hard stop. And then if it closes above that 65 level, I would exit. You know, but see how it's coming down perfectly to the demand, and now it's reacting here. You know, but your hard stop, if the price, the thing about NQ is that if it wants to give it to you, it's gonna give it to you. It's gonna keep moving forward. You know, but if it wants to mess with you, it's gonna wick you out. It doesn't matter if your stop loss is 80 ticks, 60 ticks, 100 ticks. It's gonna get you. You know, that's NQ's price action. That's the characteristics of it. So that's why, you know, sometimes though my trades is based off of NQ, Nasdaq, right? If I was to move to ES, the same strategy wouldn't work. And that's why I used to be an ES trader, SPX, ES, you know, and, you know, that's why I tell you guys, I don't trade crude oil, I don't trade anything. I just trade Nasdaq because I fully focus on that. I fire all my energy and my learning into that characteristic. I learned that beast. This is the beast I want to master. You know, so there's certain days where I trade based off the characteristics of Nasdaq, right? So sometimes you guys wouldn't see why I take that trade, but that trade is based off the characteristics of the ticker. But here's the bounce, right? See, you would have taken your last runner and got stopped at the 70. On that, if you guys, you know, anyway, you said red, you took out. See, like, you know, that's why it depends on what kind of trader you are, right? I'm a maximized profit trader. I will hold my runner down all the way. If the market gives it to me, I'm gonna keep holding. You know, once I get to my 20% left of my position, I'll hold it. Like yesterday, as you guys can see, I just kept holding. You know, I just moved my stop. I had no TP. I just moved stop. That's it. Do a video. All right, guys, if you guys, you know, haven't liked my subscribe and like Instagram and follow all that, go ahead and do that, please. Support the channel. I think I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna sign out. You know, all this, honestly, like looking at the charts, man, it burdens me out. I don't know about you guys, but my brain gets burned. It's a lot of processing, man. Brain's like a computer, right? Your brain's constantly.
Hey, Dick, just want to say thank you. Those were some great call outs today.
Yes, sir. Hopefully you caught all of it. Everybody, once we're done, halfway through the day, let's post some profits and loss and see how we all did as a team. We did good, guys. We did good. I'm gonna go ahead and go video editing. If you guys need anything, I'll be on chat. I will close out my chart though, because I don't want to see these candles anymore. Yeah. All right, guys. Great day. Great day. Beautiful, Yoda. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go. Love to see it, man. Yes, sir. Of course, man. Hey, guys, we got through this whole week. Okay, this whole week was all green. No losing day. All green this week. You know, pretty crazy if you think about it. Pretty crazy, you know. Like the last 15 trading days, only one red day, you know. So you know, that's just, yeah. You guys were all here riding it. So all right guys, I'm gonna get out, get to the video. Peace out. Trade safe, everybody. All right, everybody, we're gonna wrap it up here. Come join us in Traders Reborn Discord. Currently free for a limited time right now. Link below or in my bio. We educate and help members break bad habits, pass their evaluation for the prop firms, and become self-sufficient traders. Hope you all found value in this video, and if you did, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe for more content. Comment below on what you'd like me to talk about more about. Feedback would be great. Traders Reborn, let's go.